To get started on our peach cobbler, we're going to first start by peeling our peaches and then slicing all of them, then placing them into a pot with some sugar and some salt. Then we want to also add in some cinnamon. And then once all these ingredients are in the pot together, then we can put it on the stove and cook it. And while that's cooking, we can make our batter. So we're going to add some flour to a bowl, and then we're also going to add in some sugar. So you can use either regular sugar or brown sugar or coconut sugar. I use coconut sugar to make it healthy. I also use gluten-free flour. And we're also going to add some baking powder. It's going to help this make it more fluffy and rise. I'm going to add in some non-dairy milk or milk of choice. I did almond milk here. And some vanilla extract and some salt just for some good flavor. And then we're going to give this a really good mix. You want to make sure everything is combined and a batter consistency. And by the time we're done making this batter, our peaches should also be done, so everything's done at the same time. Then we're going to preheat our oven, melt in our butter. I use vegan butter into our pan that we're baking our cobbler in, and then take that out of the oven. Once it's melted, put in our batter, place the cooked peaches on top of the batter, and mix it all through in the pan. Bake for around 40 minutes, and then we're going to take it out of the oven. It will look something like this. Let it cool. You can cut into it however you would like. I just did some squares and then messily scooped it after, just to help with the dividing part of it. But make sure when you do make this, to make sure all the peaches are incorporated everywhere. As you see, the peaches are a little bit more centralized in the center, and I didn't mix it all the way. It was still amazing, but I had to scoop in the middle more for this. Then I added some fresh mint. I think this really adds to the flavor, and I highly recommend, as well as some shredded coconut, but the mint is essential in my opinion. You can also add some vegan or regular ice cream to this, but I hope you enjoy, and thank you.